Today we're in Jacksonville, Florida. We are to find the best cup of coffee in downtown.
We started our search at Setlan Coffee. It's in a shipping container in the Southbank district. Their coffee is an excellent balance of citrus and earthy flavors. Our next stop was Social Ground Coffee Company. The service was excellent, and the barista was very pleasant and a great conversationalist. Also, the espresso was prepared perfectly. It's a great, quiet spot for when you need to focus and reflect. And the decor only adds to the ambiance. Our final stop was Bold Bean Coffee. The latte was a very enjoyable cup, and it had a lively environment. Now, off to our next adventure as we try to work off our 9 espresso shot.